Hey everybody, I'm Kyle Modder. We're talking end stops on Tiny Shell Scripts all-wheel drive kit. That's right, freaking end stops. Okay, but in all seriousness, if you have gremlins like I do living in your control board, now my control board is the Octopus 1.1 that came stock with this amazing LDO 2.4 kit. The TMC 2209s just don't like to do sensorless homing consistently enough for me to really spend more time on it than I already have, and I have spent a ridiculous amount of time on adjusting everything. So, end stops. That's hate my bacon. So let me show you what I did. Open the rattle panel. Yeah, so this is the part you print or get from China, CNC, whatever. Print them, it's worth it. End stop in the back, wires go up and down through a hole in that bottom plate, and then you just snake it through your drag chain. Super simple, and it works really, really well. So I got you back. You just download an STL, print it out, and put that plate on there, drill that hole out, and you're golden like dehydrated PP and good to run those end stop wires. It's seriously super simple. Go ahead and buy your kit now. Future kits will be updated to include that hole for the wire routing in future kits once West 3D runs out of their current stock. It doesn't mean you shouldn't buy it. If you feel the itch, you should definitely scratch it by ordering this kit and the NEMA 17s. Now I've included the links to both of those parts in the description below. Now with the NEMA 17s, I will tell you that you actually will be getting an extra pancake motor for your extruder, which is good because a lot of people tend to burn those up. I don't know how, I've never destroyed one, but it does happen and it's more common than not. So anyway, it's just good to have spares. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We got some more update videos coming your way.